In this VidMonopoly review, I'm going to be showing you if it is possible to make $573 per day posting lame 15-second videos. So make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how you can make these short videos to make money. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get VidMonopoly at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area if you end up buying through my link. Now let me show you my bonuses. So this is my bonus page and these are the bonuses that you're gonna be getting in the members area. So the exclusive bonus number 1 is viral video WP theme. Then comes viral secrets exposed. Then comes rapid Instagram profits. Then comes modern vlogging. Then comes 6,66,317 YouTube views case study. Then comes how to become a successful social media influencer. Then comes 10,060 and 6,424 leads case study. Then comes personal branding blueprint. Then comes storytelling marketing. And the last bonus is the buyer triggers. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, revealed one keyword weapon makes us $573 per day posting lame 15-second videos by exploiting a lazy AI hack that 99.99% marketers have no idea about. First of all, I would like to say that I don't think they are making $573 per day by posting 15-second videos, but I do believe you can make some amount of money making these videos. To understand this a little better, I am going to be showing you a tutorial of how you can make these 15-second videos and make money. After you guys watch the tutorial, I am going to be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades for VidMonopoly.
Welcome to VidMonopoly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create hundreds of shorts and reels using VidMonopoly. So there are 3 modes: easy, advanced, and hyper mode. So in this video, I'm going to show how to use E mode, where most of the thing is already done for you. First, just enter a unique video name. Let's say it to be healthy living. Click on continue, enter the keyword healthy living. This is the number of images for each video, number of videos I want. I'll enter just 5 for this. You can go up to 10 videos at once. Now, the software will generate scripts for us that we can use for, you see, these are all the scripts that are generated for us in just seconds. So the next is audio. You can generate voiceover for all these scripts at once just by clicking one button. In hyper mode, you can go and you can also edit the scripts and you can also edit the voiceover. But the easy mode, it's the fastest way to create shots for you. So once we have generated our audio, let's go and submit this. And now our software will go and it will create images for the videos. It will generate the voiceover and in some time it will be ready. Now, once the images are ready, we can use these videos as it is, or we can go and edit the video, edit the images inside it, add our branding or add a music or whatever we want. Now you can select any of these images or you can unselect them. I want to use all these images, so I'm going to keep them selected and click on continue. Here, you can further edit the video. You can change the images if you want. You can go ahead and add media images or videos from our stock library. Then you can add elements like social media, smiley arrows. You can add text also, happy living or anything. You want to change color, font, text. Then you can add branding, your logos. For example, if you want to add a logo right top, then I can also add a music. Let's select the music. I want it to be 10. And then I can add transition. I can add music. I can add subtitles. I can generate subtitles for this. Once your subtitles are generated successfully, click on, okay, go back and submit. And that's it. Now your video will be ready in some time, or I can use a different video where I will just keep the images as they are and I'm just going to save them. So these are images that are generated for this video. Next, I just want to click on continue. And then even if I just go and click on submit, the video will start rendering. So this video is ready. So let's see how it came up.
Stress management is an essential aspect of healthy living. Chronic stress can have negative effects on both your physical and mental health. Finding effective stress-reducing techniques, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies, can help you better cope with stress and promote a balanced lifestyle.
Let me show you another video here.
Success is not just about making money, it's about achieving personal growth and realizing your full potential. True success goes beyond financial gains and encompasses all aspects of life.
So that's it, guys. This is how you can create hundreds of shorts, reels for Instagram, YouTube really, really fast, and just dominate all short form video platforms. Thank you and see you inside.
I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Now let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades of VidMonopoly. So this is the front end cost of VidMonopoly, which is $17.95. It has got a total of 6 OTOs, and the first OTO is the Pro edition, which is $47, and the second OTO is the Done For You edition, which is $147. And the third OTO is the Audio Avatar edition, which is $47. Then comes OTO 4 Multi-Marketer edition, $47. OTO 5th, which is ChatGPT edition, $37. Then comes OTO 6 Agency license, which is $147 to $157. So I would suggest to upgrade VidMonopoly based on your need. If you want the DFY edition, which is $147, you can go for it. But if you want just the front end of VidMonopoly, you can purchase it for $17.95. So you can get $3 off the $17.95 if you use this coupon Monopoly3. I hope you enjoyed the review of VidMonopoly. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.